It's a Sunday morning coming down edition of Sandwich Dad. Hello. Dad had a few too many Molson Pilsners on Saturday night, so now let's make a hangover lunch bagel. I've got some roast chicken, bacon, alligator pear, brie, bagels, and some lettuce. First, we use our fancy toaster to toast the everything Bagel. And first things first, we get some sliced alligator pear with some salt, some pepper, and a bit of juice from a plastic lime. On top of that goes the roast chicken. I prefer the dark meat, but use what you like. Going to use some slightly overcooked bacon, some mayonnaise, and just plain old iceberg lettuce and some brie cheese. Okay, put it all together. Oh, it's upside down. Well, these things happen. We're all doing our best here. Anyway, cut diagonally, which because it's a circle is just straight across, and there is our cross section. And now time for the taste test. Did it work? Am I satiated? Yes. Sandwich Dad. Good day.